Gruppen. Now, about 1.5 years ago, I've came to Shenzhen and filmed 2 videos about the historical development and the technology scenes within Shenzhen, right? And after 1.5 years, I found there's already many changes, just like the DJI Flagship Store behind me. And in this video, we're going to talk about the latest developments and how the technology looks like in Shenzhen today. Now we are at the Carnival Square of OTC. Now here there is the largest DJI flagship store in the world, but there's also many different Chinese brands such as Xiaomi, such as NIO, such as Huawei. So let's check it out. DJI is one of the star brands in Shenzhen and is well known all over the world because of its drones dominating the market. However, DJI is not only producing drones, it's a tech firm that produces all kinds of equipment, such as camera systems, stabilizers, and even high-end bicycles now. As a DJI fan, I really like their compact design. For example, their mics. When I was wondering whether to buy DJI or Rode, it was the case that convinced me because of its convenience and long battery time. I only need to charge the case once a month and it will charge the mic all the time. Now, they have come up with the second generation and even with the mini version that is even smaller. On the first floor displays all the products of DJI. On the second floor there is a space for drone training, but not open yet. On the third floor there is an exhibition of DJI's partner, Hasselblad, a leading manufacturer of digital medium format cameras and lenses. Around the OTC area, there is also Huawei and Xiaomi. Both are not only displaying their electronic devices like phones, but also latest cars. These car models have already begun to erode the market share of traditional car manufacturers in China and around the world. Now there is this one thing that I had to try out in Shenzhen this time, which is the food delivery by drone within some parks in Shenzhen. Now this is, I think, an amazing service because when I was in Shanghai, when I ordered food within a park, the delivery person will be very difficult to find me because there are so many entrances of that park, right? And the park is huge. So it's really difficult to find the delivery man. And often he's not so happy because he cannot find me and wasted quite some time. But here, within the parks in Shenzhen, there are these drone delivery centers and the food or drinks can be delivered to this particular place, right? So I think I just did it wrong because I ordered it to this particular place, but by any restaurant. And I don't think that this actually works because it still only works for certain brands or certain restaurants such as KFC. And now you can see that there is one drone above me that is coming, right? Do you see that? It's right here. And it's going to land on this machine. And then the customer will be able to pick up the food or drink from this machine. Now this could be my food. Let's see. No! Now there is one that's just left, and I think the next one is my KFC.
No! God, please, no! No!
Oh, I think that was not ours. This is actually ours coming. So this one is leaving, and then I hope the next one is ours.
A few minutes later.
So I just got a call at the same time telling me that my delivery by drone is coming. So it should come in a few seconds. This is our food. So we just open it here. This is our KFC. And then for environmental friendly reasons, we need to make it flat like this and then throw it and recycle it like that. So here's our KFC delivered by a drone, and there are so many drones actually flying in and out at the same time. What do you think about this service? Although the KFC coffee that I'd ordered later was delivered earlier, but I did realize that it was spoiled all over the place. So this is not really drinkable, or at least half of the cup of coffee is not drinkable. Well, at the same time, the drink that I ordered from manual delivery, that I accidentally ordered by manual delivery, is complete and everything looks perfect. So what would you prefer? Now, while this time in Shenzhen, I was recommended to visit this museum, Shenzhen Museum, while I'm here. And I was told that there are a lot of exhibitions about the economic reform of China and the development of this particular city. So let's have a look. Within this exhibition, you can see the development of Guangdong province and Shenzhen special economic zone during the past 40 plus years. Some of the scenes are really interesting to observe, such as this retail store brings back memories from my own childhood. Also in this exhibition, you can find out some interesting facts about Shenzhen, such as the age, industry, and origins distribution. As an immigrant city, most of its citizens are below 35 years old and come from all over China. Only 33.7% from the Guangdong province. So we just had a walk around Huaqiangbei. We went to a couple of the electronics market here. Compared to 1.5 years ago, I would say that's not that different. There's still a bustling of business. There's still a lot of people here. What I found different is that there are a little bit more foreigners here buying stuff, negotiating stuff within the shops here. I would say that's the biggest difference compared to 1.5 years ago when I come here during the midst of 2023, shortly after the COVID was released in China. Now, if you think that Shenzhen is a well-established city, well, it is. It is one of the first-tier cities in China, but still, there are a lot of construction sites in the city. If you look around me, there's so many construction sites, you might hear the sound as well. And this is not in the suburb of the city. This is actually quite close to the city center. And again, this time I have passed by the Guangdong metro station. And as always, there are so many people using this as a transportation hub to go back to their home on a Friday night. And if you have the time during the evening, I would highly recommend to have a walk in the Shenzhen Talent Park. From here, you can have amazing night view of the city's landscape and the skyline. And here, there are many citizens that would like to take the walk after dinner. And if you're lucky, you will also witness the amazing drone performances here within the park. So that's it for our video today. I hope you enjoyed our one-day tour within Shenzhen. Let me know in the comment section below if you would be interested in visiting Shenzhen in the future. And please contact us if you do so. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.